Ciao, it's Russo's at the Rim in San Antonio. Check out our new sandwiches. This is our flatbread meatball parmesan sandwich with fresh mozzarella cheese. Look, are these meatballs beautiful? Look at these. These are homemade meatballs. They're hand rolled. Look at the meatballs, all homemade with meat sauce, fresh Italian parsley, fresh basil, lots of garlic, like Mama used to make. These sandwiches are amazing, best in town. These are crispy Italian flatbread sandwiches. Here we go. Look how large the sandwich is. This is gonna be an amazing, amazing parmesan sandwich. You hear the crisp? Look at that. Turn it. Here it is. Here. Lunch specials. 1, 2. We have 4 slices. Come by and see us every day for lunch. At Russo's. New York Pizzeria, these are coal-fired sandwiches, flatbread, made with homemade meatballs. Come see us for lunch from 11 to 2, Monday to Friday, here at the Rim, San Antonio. Ciao.